I'm here to review the Marsboy 4-in-1 multifunction doorbell. And this is what the box looks like. Excuse me. On the front here, it shows you that it's a wireless digital doorbell. It has a security burglar alarm, a motion sensor light, and an emergency flashlight. This is the box. It's a pretty decent, sturdy box. This is perfect for if you need to take the doorbell down and store it, or if you're moving, you can transport it in this wonderful, sturdy box. Now on the back of the box, it clearly says what it does and what it has. It says it has up to 500 feet operating range in an open space, 36 different chime tones with 3 levels of adjustable volume, battery powered with no wiring or no electrician needed, blue LED flashes when someone is at the door, automatically turns on when it is dark and the motion is detected, which saves you on batteries, so that is an awesome feature. And lastly, my most favorite is it alerts you or your neighbors of a possible break-in and scares them away. Now, I don't know how many of you have witnessed or have been in a burglary before or a home invasion. I have, my family has, and I don't even have a doorbell, let alone a burglary system, and this one has both. So this gives us a peace of mind. So I'm very, very, very thrilled that I was able to receive this to review. Now in the box were some directions, the main device, the device that goes outside that acts as the button for the doorbell, a backing for the main device for your wall, the screws for the wall, and 2 sticky backs for both of the devices. Now I'm going to talk to you about the main device right now. This is what it looks like. Right here and right here is the blue LED lights. And on the bottom is the sensor and also the flashlight. At the top here, the switches are LED, off, and alarm. Then you have the volume button and the chime button. First, I'm going to leave it on the LED and show you the chimes, just a couple of them. Now, some of them actually are a regular doorbell sound, and some of them talk. Now, let's see if I can get one. Hello. See? Okay, now the volume. See, it goes really, really loud. Hello. Okay. Now, this one is the one that goes outside on your house. This part also flashes with blue LED. Now, to open the backing, you see there's a little slot. You can use a flathead screwdriver to open it. Inside is a battery. It's a very small battery, but it does come with the device. On the other hand, on the main one, it requires 3 AA batteries, and those are not included. So you do have to purchase some very good batteries for the back of this one. I forgot to mention that these are the slots that go on the plastic piece that goes to the wall, so it hangs there. And this is the speaker, so it's very, very loud. Okay, next I'm going to show you a little about the alarm. Now the alarm, if you turn it on, it'll give you 15 seconds. After that, if it detects any kind of motion, it'll go off. Let me show you. Again, like I said, 15 seconds. I'll let that go. Now, there you go. That's the alarm. I'd say that would scare somebody away. Awesome feature.
Hello?
So I'd like to show you the flashlight, but I really can't because it's daylight right now and it only pops on when it's dark. So I can't really show you that. But this is the wonderful, awesome 4-in-1 doorbell that I received, and I highly recommend it. Thank you for watching.